Hi, my name is Michael Andia, and this is my scientific method video. So there's 7 steps to the scientific method, and the first one is observation. So for my example, my observation was that I was watching basketball, and I observed that more layups went in the basket than 3-point shots. So the next step would be to have a question, and my question is, does the distance affect the accuracy of a projectile, something being thrown? So that's my question, and then the third step would be to have a hypothesis, and my hypothesis is that the larger the distance, the less accurate something will be, the less times it'll hit its target. So this is my experiment now. So I will be throwing 5 identical pens into this lampshade. The lampshade is a control. These 5 identical pens are a control. And then the independent variable is going to be the distance. That's what I'm going to be changing. I'm going to move the lampshade over there a little bit farther away, and then the dependent variable will be my accuracy. So we'll see if that changes or not. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so all 5 went in, and now let me move this. Alright, here we go. 1, 2. Okay, so I made 2 out of 5. So now the next step would be to collect the data. So I'd write down that I made 2 out of 5 when the lamp was farther away, and I made 5 out of 5 when the lamp was closer. And then the step after that would be to interpret the data, and that would see if it supports or doesn't support the hypothesis, which in this case it did support the hypothesis. If the distance is larger or bigger than the accuracy, I'll be less accurate. And then the last step of the scientific process would be to write a report about my findings and like my experiment and stuff like that. So that is the scientific experiment. Now I need to explain deductive and inductive reasoning. Deductive reasoning, a deductive argument is, its goal is to be certain. So like an example of a deductive argument would be that if all mammals have hearts and dogs are mammals, and dogs have to have hearts. So the first 2 premises are true, which means that the conclusion needs to be true, or should be true. And inductive reasoning, I guess, shoots for probability. So a deductive argument would be, if the first marble I pulled was black, and the second marble I pulled was black, then all the marbles in the bag are black. So that is not, like, you can't say that that's 100% truth, but you can say that it is probable based on the 2, I guess, examples that I had. So that's inductive reasoning, and now I need to explain theories, hypothesis, and laws. So laws are something that is true. It is like either like mathematically supported. A theory is like a conclusion based off multiple hypotheses that have also been supported and can be duplicated. And a hypothesis is just like a scientific guess. Hypothesis is a reasonable guess based on what you know or observe. So, yeah. Thank you.